This video really just puts together a number of things that we've done already. It's hard to trick equations. Here we've got 4 cos squared theta minus 5 sin theta minus 5 equals 0. And we've got a mixture of cosine and sine. And it's much easier if we can solve this if we get everything in terms of either sine or cosine. Luckily, we know that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals 1. So therefore, instead of writing cos squared theta, we can write 1 minus sine squared theta. So let's do that. Instead of writing cos squared theta, I'm going to write 1 minus sine squared theta. There it is. Let's multiply out the brackets. This just stays the same. And then let's write that as minus 4 sine squared theta minus 5 sine theta. 4 minus 5 is minus 1, so it's minus 1, and that equals 0. Lots of minus signs. Let's multiply both sides of the equation by minus 1, just to simplify things. And now I've got a quadratic in sine theta. So let's write y equal to sine theta. So we get 4y squared plus 5y plus 1 equals 0. That's a normal quadratic. I think it's 4y and it's y and it's plus 1 and it's plus 1. So therefore 4y plus 1 equals 0, which means y is minus a quarter. Or y plus 1 equals 0, which means y equals minus 1. What was y? It was sine theta, so sine theta is minus a quarter, or sine theta equals minus 1. Now if we know that theta is between 0 and 360, but it could equal either, then we need to solve these two equations. So let's do the first one. The sine graph looks like that. Minus a quarter is round about here, so we need to find that value and that value. If we do if we use the calculator, for sine theta is minus a quarter, so theta is inverse sine of minus a quarter, then we get minus 14.5 degrees. So that means that this, there we are, this point here is at minus 14.5. Now we know that that gap there is the same as this gap here, and it's the same as that gap there. So therefore we can say that theta, it does equal that, but it also equals 180 plus 14.5, or 360 minus 14.5. And what about sine theta equals minus 1? Well, sine theta equals minus 1 at this point here, and we know this point here is 270 degrees. So sine theta equals minus 1 means theta equals 270. To put everything together, the overall solution is theta is 195 degrees, 346 degrees, and 270 degrees. Now, interestingly, I've made two rounding errors. Well, no, I've made one error by rounding twice. That 14.5 degrees here is actually 14.47. So this is 194.47. This is 345.53. So 194.47 to the nearest whole number is 194 degrees. That 345.5, that 346 is correct, and that's correct. So beware of rounding too early, which is what I did there.